The new generation of Citroen C3 debuts in Brazil with a completely different concept from that seen in the first two generations. In addition to carrying the new visual identity, it has the feel of an adventurous car and starts a new phase for Citroën, which will focus on being more popular. The new Citroen C3 2023 is built on a simpler variation of the CMP platform. The model is derived from the Indian project and has no relation to the European C3, which will gain a generation distinguished and more sophisticated next year. In Brazil, Stellantis' objective is to position the C3 at the base of the hatchback segment to make Citroen's share in Brazil reach 4% by 2024. In terms of external measurements, the Citroen C3 2023 is 3.98 meters long, 1.73 meters wide, 1.6 meters high, and has a wheelbase of 2.54 meters. According to the factory, the trunk capacity is 315 liters. The higher roof of the new C3 tries to convey the look of an SUV as well as the use of longitudinal bars, plastic moldings around the fenders, and the option of a roof painted in a different color than the body. At the front, the model is inspired by the C4 Cactus in the arrangement of the headlights in stages with daytime running lights at the top, main block in the center, and fog lights at the base. The rear, on the other hand, has a different arrangement from other Citroens, with less rounded tail lights and a trunk lid with creases in low relief. Inside the new Citroen C3, the panel has a different design from that used in other models in the line. The air vents are rectangular, the instrument panel is fully digital with the Citroen Connect touchscreen multimedia 10-inch screen in the center. The phone can be paired with Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. It also has 3 fast-charging USB connectors, 2 facing the rear seat and 1 on the center console close to the 12-volt connector. The steering wheel is multifunctional, also similar to the one used in the C4 Cactus. The new Citroen C3 has 2 engine options, 1.0 Firefly Flex 3-cylinder with 75 horsepower and 10.7 kg-Fm of torque, always with a 5-speed manual gearbox, and 1.6 EC5 Flex 4-cylinder which produces 120 horsepower and 15.5 kg-Fm with a choice of 5-speed manual or 6-speed automatic transmission. It will be offered in up to 5 colors: black pearl, white bankies, grey artens, grey graphite and blue spring. The roof will be available in 2 colors, another innovation in the segment, and can be either white bankies and black pearl.